Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to crop image in Adobe Express. So let's start it. At first, open your Adobe Express. I can see now show home page. Now scroll your mouse. I can see now show the crop image. Now click. Now select from any image. Now select from image. Now click for open option. Now crop image. Now you need the crop. Now click OK and click from download and select from open editor. That it's now already cropped the image in Adobe Express. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.